was pork keys. Yeah, they got me like a flunky money. I'm driving around town with 10 kilos inside my trunk, G. And I'm holding a suitcase with $500,000 on my lap in front of my face. And I'm trying to ignore it. But sometimes I get tempted to go deaf and make a run for it. The thought alone makes me shiver. Damn, what if I get caught and found me floating in a Hudson River? But if I escape, I'll be ashamed for my life. But they might get my kid and my wife. See, I'm supposed to make a stop to a knockdown spot, run up the block and make another drop.
Come on, man. Did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear them bars? Come on, man. Y'all gotta, come on now. No more Kermit the Frog rap. No more of that.
But I got something else in mind. So at the next stop sign, I pull out and load up the 9. I got the money in the hit. Went through the block when I stopped, cause I ain't dropping off the rock of it. Then I thought of a plan. So I drove to my house to get my girl and my little man. Come on, baby, pack your stuff, get ready.
Damn, why your face all sweaty?
Just hurry up, don't throw no fits. I'm a dead man, walk and understand we got a split. I switched the locks on the door. Started packing the Gucci bags like I was going on a world tour. Grab the luggage and the gun. Come on, we gotta go. They got a brother on the run.
They got the shit. What? They got the whole shit. I want that son of a bitch dead. I want it dead.
Bars.
Now I'm driving and I'm looking at my passport. I'm out of here soon as I hit Kennedy Airport. Loaded the other automatic. I don't believe it. I'm like a sitting duck stuck in traffic. I'm getting nervous as hell, G. I'm like a continental pulling right up beside me. Push down my girl and then I bent low. Bullets are flying through my window. The enemy is on attack. Shoot a 9 to cock the hammer and a fire that Kenny's back. I gotta take my...
Come on. Come on. Stop playing. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Y'all young boys need to go back. Go back and learn your history. No more Kermit the Frog Sesame Street rap. No more of that.
My respect. My bullets hitting crazy, mafia members in the net. But then my girl a bullet struck her. Put in another clip, cause I ain't giving up nothing, my brother. Hitting and rolling up the trenches. Spraying at my car, only missing me by little inches. Stepped on the gas pedal, I got my girl a tongue. Man, they only hit her in the upper arm. Now I'm driving on sidewalks, making sharp turns. My son is in the back, catching heartburn. I got the car shaking wildly. I made a turn, and then I took the beam in a dark alley. They drove right past, all the chasing stuff was done. Yeah, they got a brother on the run.
I want him dead. I want his family dead. I want his house burned to the ground. I want to go to Middle
The next thing I know, it was daylight. And I was sleeping with the engine running all night. I started pulling on my hoe.
Come on, man, what?
Wake up, stupid, we gotta go. Pulled out the alley, then I dipped. Looked down and picked up the 9 and put more rounds in the clip. You know I'm heading south, no doubt. Don't care about my whereabouts as long as it's a hideout. Finally, we crossed the border. Pulled the to a station to fill up the tank and get a drink of water. Pulling over to pump my ride. Just when I noticed the limousine coming up on my left side. Then I started ramming. Then I looked, it was the Luciano family. Looked at my car, she started crying. My finger on the trigger, pulled it, bullet started flying. Now I'm hitting all of that. Dropping the flash when I'm blasting blood splashes. Then I finally done it. I took them all out, but I caught one in the stomach. Now I'm looking for survivors. So I ran up on the side of the car and hit the driver. And then I let it low. Cause in my rough, the only one left was Don Luciano. So I stuck for the sucker. Put my gun to his head. What's up now, motherfucker? He said, wait, I wanna talk. I put his brains on the sidewalk. Another.
Come on. No, don't do that. Y'all young boys, don't do that. Bars. Like I said, no more Kermit the Frog rap.
Life I had to wait. He fell on his back and then I spit right in his guinea face. He saw the devil of the devil's gun. Now they no longer got a brother on the